Peppa Pig, Miss Rabbit's Day Off. Peppa, George and Susie Sheep have had a sleepover at Rebecca Rabbit's house.
It's fun having carrots for breakfast,
laughs Peppa. I could eat carrots all day, agrees Daddy Rabbit. Mummy Rabbit's sister, Miss Rabbit, pops in to say hello. I can't stop long, she says. I've got lots of work to do. I'm working at the supermarket, selling ice creams and driving the bus.
Wow!
Miss Rabbit trips over one of Richard's toys.
Ouch!
Her ankle is hurt.
Oh no!
You must stay here and get better, decides Miss Rabbit. I'll do your work for you. Mummy Rabbit puts Rebecca and her friends in charge of looking after Miss Rabbit. Luckily, Susie Sheep has her nurse's outfit with her.
Hooray!
Don't worry, she says. I am only a pretend nurse.
Mummy Rabbit goes straight to the supermarket.
Miss Rabbit is ill, she tells everyone. I'll be doing her job today.
Have you ever worked a checkout before? Asks Mrs. Dog. Mummy Rabbit has not. Running a supermarket checkout is quite hard. Miss Rabbit calls home.
We need more help, she cries. This job is going to take me all day.
Peppa phones Miss Rabbit's ice cream stall. Daddy Pig answers.
Miss Rabbit is ill. You've got to sell the ice cream today.
Oh, snorts Daddy Pig. I'm an expert at ice cream. He gets to work. Selling ice cream is quite hard. Soon the ice cream begins to melt.
Oh no!
The ice cream is all runny. Ice cream soup, anyone? Asks Daddy Pig. Peppa phones Grandad Dog.
Miss Rabbit is very ill. Can you drive her bus today?
Grandad Dog gets to work, but driving a bus is quite hard. It is even harder when you have cars to fix too.
Oh no!
Back at Rebecca Rabbit's house, Miss Rabbit is feeling better.
Hooray!
Can I get up now?
She asks. Susie Sheep shakes her head.
No. You must lie very still, but please keep breathing.
It's not easy doing all your jobs, says Mummy Rabbit at the end of the day.
It's not easy sitting down all day, says Miss Rabbit.
She will definitely be back at work tomorrow. The end. Peppa Pig Pedro's cough. Peppa and her friends are waiting for Madame Gazelle to start their music lesson. Miss Polly Hatty Dolly, sings Madame Gazelle. What is that strange noise? Poor Pedro Pony has a nasty cough. Not to worry, says Madame Gazelle. I'll ring Dr. Brownbear. Dr. Brownbear looks after everyone when they are poorly. Dr. Brownbear picks up his medical kit, jumps in his doctor's car, and drives straight to playgroup. I've got a cough, says Pedro when Dr. Brownbear arrives. It's nothing serious, says Dr. Brownbear. but it may be catching, so we'll give you some medicine.
Cries Pedro. It tastes like old shoe full of jam.
Susie Sheep and Danny Dog start to cough too. As I thought, says Dr. Brownbear, Pedro's cough is catching. He gives them both some cough medicine.
It tastes of carpet flavoured yogurt, says Susie. Yuck! It tastes of flowers, says Danny. Do you ever get ill, Dr. Brownbear? Asked Peppa.
I'm never ill, because I eat an apple a day, says Dr. Brownbear. Soon it is home time, and the parents arrive to pick up the children.
I've got a cough, says Pedro. Dr. Brownbear came to look after us, says Danny.
All the adults start coughing too. Peppa picks up the phone.
Dr. Brownbear, now all the grown-ups are ill, she says.
Now it is the grown-ups' turn to take the cough medicine.
It tastes like custard and old socks, cries Madame Gazelle.
All the grown-ups must take the medicine to help them feel better. No one likes the medicine.
Who looks after you when you're ill? Asked Peppa.
No one looks after me, replies Dr. Brownbear. I'm never... Dr. Brownbear has caught Pedro's cough too.
Oh no!
Who will look after Dr. Brownbear? Gasped Peppa.
Poor Dr. Brownbear is taken to hospital. He has some visitors. Danny has brought some fruit. Susie has brought the medicine.
Open wide,
says Susie. Ugh! Cries Dr. Brownbear. It tastes like jammy yogurt flavoured carpet shoe with flowery custard old socks. Soon Dr. Brownbear is feeling better. Everyone loves being looked after, even Dr. Brownbear. The end.
Hi kids, did you have fun watching this video? Then like and subscribe for more.